Welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. Grab your drink of choice and let's dive into today's topic.
Look at this avalanche of digital folders and glowing paper collapsing on itself. This is what modern knowledge work looks like today. A scattered mess of desktop folders, dozens of open browser tabs, and endless PDF downloads. You might think a standard AI chatbot is the fix, but feeding this much raw, disjointed material into a general-purpose language model usually makes the problem worse. Standard models quickly lose track of your specific project context. They fill in the blanks by guessing, or hallucinating, and pull generic information from the open web instead of relying on your proprietary files. This leaves professionals stuck making a difficult choice: trust an unreliable AI's best guess, or spend hours agonizingly extracting data by hand. Google's NotebookLM solves this by using a different architectural foundation. It relies on source-grounded AI. Source-grounded AI is a system restricted to reading and analyzing only the exact documents and files you upload, with no ability to invent outside facts. This closed-loop system pulls scattered files into a secure, isolated hub. We're no longer treating AI as an open-ended chatbot, but as a sealed cognitive engine. Inside, messy documents are instantly aligned into a centralized database the AI recalls with perfect accuracy. By walling off the open internet, you get an ecosystem where the speed of generative AI is matched with specific factual reliability. The ingestion phase starts with a 1 million token context window. A token context window is the total amount of text or data an AI can hold in its active memory at one time, and 1 million tokens equals roughly 1,500 pages of text. You can upload up to 50 distinct sources into a single workspace simultaneously, allowing the engine to cross-reference an enormous amount of information at once. And these sources aren't just PDFs or CSV spreadsheets. You can paste public YouTube URLs, and the system will instantly index the spoken video transcripts alongside your written documents. This diagram illustrates deep research, where a central node extends a probe to capture abstract web data, missing context, news, or regulations. But notice, incoming packets hit a solid checkpoint. You must approve these findings before they merge, ensuring a hallucination-free environment. Through this curation pipeline, you can build a massive, hyper-specific personal research library in a matter of seconds. Once your library is built, the processing phase relies on a massive 10,000-character prompt capacity. Look at this dense block of typography forming a human profile. Instead of typing out simple one-off questions, you can use those 10,000 characters to program persistent, highly detailed AI personas. Using goal-based chat, you can instruct the system to act as a legal reviewer, a creative brand strategist, or a specialized data analyst, forcing the engine to evaluate your entire context window through that specific professional lens. As the persona answers, it provides exact, clickable citations for every single claim, guaranteeing recall and immediate verification back to your original uploaded files. Combining massive context with hyper-specific instructions turns the system into a specialized research analyst. The final phase takes this verified, processed text and instantly transforms it into professional multimedia assets. This diagram shows flowing waves of lines snapping into a rigid grid, which represents the new Data Tables feature. It extracts qualitative text from your documents and converts it into structured, exportable spreadsheets. With a single click, the engine generates study aids, pulling concepts into dynamic flashcards. When generating presentation decks, the PPTX slide export feature lets you use prompts to revise one specific slide, leaving the rest intact. You can even turn your notes into audio overviews, where two AI hosts naturally discuss and synthesize the specific documents you provided. But the crown jewel of the 2026 update is cinematic video overviews, powered by the Veo 3 engine. Veo 3 is Google's generative video model, capable of creating high-quality, fluid animations from text instructions. Like this flat blueprint blooming into a 3D city, Veo 3 takes static documents and generates fully scripted, visually animated explainer videos. NotebookLM removes the friction of manual formatting and media production, letting you turn raw ideas into ready-to-publish professional artifacts instantly. Automating slide formatting and manual data extraction recovers hours previously lost to administrative friction. This redirects human effort away from basic organization, freeing you to focus on high-level strategy and creative decision-making. This sleek metallic vault represents the security of your data. Grounding the engine strictly in your own files ensures that every response is tied to a specific source you have already verified. NotebookLM is a cognitive database that scales alongside your ambition. Stop taking passive notes and start building your own searchable knowledge base today.
Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. And if you're ready to get serious about making AI your coworker, not just your chatbot, you can get free prompts and a 30-day AI confidence checklist, no sign-up required, at everydayaimadesimple.ai. That's where I'm building tools, guides, and resources to help you confidently use AI in your everyday life and work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.